If you have just installed the Vivaldi web browser and you're like me, you probably have lots of tabs open. So many tabs that you don't even know which tab is which because the title is unreadable. What can we do about this? One solution would be to simply click on this button here to view the list of tabs, but there is another possible solution for our tab problem. We can use vertical tabs instead of horizontal tabs. To enable the vertical tabs in Vivaldi, click on the Vivaldi button on the top left corner of the window and then on Settings. Then in the Settings dialog, click on the Tabs section. You can see here that we can place our tabs in any of the four sides of the screen. If we choose to place them on the left side, they become vertical. So if you want vertical tabs, this is the option you'll probably want to choose. Alternatively, we can place them on the right side, which is also vertical. We can even place the tabs at the bottom, which looks strange to me, but maybe you'll prefer it this way. Or we can put them back at the top. Let's leave it on the left. These tabs work just like the tabs at the top. You click on them to change the page, but they are vertical tabs instead of horizontal. It's also possible to add a new tab by pressing the plus button at the bottom, or we can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-T. When there are too many vertical tabs, a scroll bar will appear.